Welcome to my morning routine, built for real life for men who work, train and carry stress. Come with me. First thing, and this is the hardest one, I don't let my phone hijack my brain, so I don't touch it. No notification, no dopamine hit for the first 20 to 30 minutes. And second thing, hydration, because we lose a lot of water during the night. Next, I get light in my eyes and movement in my body. Because it tells my brain, you're awake, you're alive, send energy. This is waking up my nervous system. And here's my 3-minute activation circuit. 20 squats, 10 push-ups, 30-second plank.
And repeat it.
This is telling my body, we're moving today. Once my body is awake, I take my notebook. I write 3 things, 1 health goal, 1 work priority, and 1 stress thing, and the action to reduce it. If I skip this, my brain spends the day reacting. So this is where I tell my cortisol, you work for me, not the other way around. Now that my mind has a direction, let's talk about the best part. Food and coffee. Some mornings I eat, some I don't. The menu really depends on my feeling. Yogurt, eggs, avocado toast, oats, etc. But I do it simple. Protein first, fats for satiety, carbs that don't spike my blood sugar. I'm not chasing fullness, I'm chasing stability. And coffee? I don't drink it anymore, but if you do, wait 60 to 90 minutes so your natural cortisol can do its job. If you need coffee to feel human, your routine is a problem. Some mornings, especially when I hate and I know I'll sit a lot, I start my walking session walking. Nothing crazy. 15 minutes to half an hour. It's more about my posture, confidence, insulin and energy than about making 10k steps. And at this point, my morning routine has done its job. My stress is under control, my energy is up naturally, and my brain knows what matters today. So this is my morning routine. Not perfect, not viral, not trendy, not Instagram ready, but it works for me. It gives me energy for the day. It's better to try and implement things than wait 6 months and tell yourself, why didn't I try? Thanks for watching the video. Please be sure to subscribe for the next videos, the next vlogs coming soon, and I'll see you in the next one.